Product management. It is here that you manage the end-to-end implementation of Salesforce, including the overall strategy and day-to-day activities involved in administering Salesforce. Examples of how to represent product management on your resume would be that you've demonstrated your knowledge of multiple products across the Salesforce platform. That may vary from Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Field Service, Lightning, Configure, Price, Quote, whatever it may be. The more clouds and knowledge that you can have across a broad spectrum will widen the net of potential job leads for you as recruiters and hiring managers are searching for individuals with certain product knowledge, various platform areas of Salesforce that you may be able to take care of. So you really want to get specific for whatever clouds that you've worked on. And then as well, if you've successfully partnered with internal stakeholders to plan, implement, and communicate Salesforce release changes 3 times a year, that would be those 3 major releases from Salesforce that they do annually. And then once again, you'll see stakeholders mentioned specifically in this particular skill. That is a commonly recurring theme, is the ability to work with stakeholders on these various Salesforce projects. And then finally, acted as the Salesforce subject matter expert and day-to-day point of contact for users, executives, vendors, and development teams. Here's once again you fulfilling the role of being a bridge or a liaison between the business and the technical. And you're dealing with end users, those higher up on the org chart, such as executives, third-party individuals that may be partnering with your company, such as vendors, and then as well the technical or development teams. So if you're involved in setting up a cross-functional center of excellence to assist with the evaluation of new features and adoptions. Now, Center of Excellence is something that occurs in the Business Analyst certification, and I cover that in my BA course as well. I'll link to that for your reference. And then on the employer side, what they're looking for are those that can ensure the business gets the most value and return on investment out of Salesforce products, and that they are used to help users and customers, as well as evaluating new Salesforce products and features and partner with stakeholders to implement and deploy to production, as well as developing customer-facing interfaces, including the creation and maintenance of fields, views, campaigns, and other Salesforce applications and functions. And there's several different resources related to product management here in the skills kit, such as sharpening your product management skills as a Salesforce admin, which is a blog post about a 5-minute read recently released, and then as well prepare for Salesforce releases. Trailhead module. This is a Trailhead trail with several different modules, such as the Salesforce Release Readiness Strategies and Advanced Salesforce Release Readiness Strategies, and then different release highlights from different releases of Salesforce to get you up to speed with some of the newer releases in the past several iterations, and then several other links that I'll let you check out at your leisure. You may find helpful in deepening your knowledge of product management, the 13th and next to last skill represented in this skills kit. And so now it's time to dive into the 14th and final skill, which is project management. I'll see you there next.